Good morning, children. So, ready? All of you happy? See, today I am starting a lesson for you, okay? One grammar full lesson is completed, but you will get it when you get your books. Grammar books મળશે એટલે lessons આવશે, okay? Till that, now I am starting your lesson. Honeycomb. All of you open page number 7. This is page 7, okay? Page 7, okay? Now see, who did Patrick's homework? Okay, children, nobody likes homework, huh? Game તમને homework game? No. Huh? Somebody is doing homework for this boy. જોજો કોણ કરે છે? See, Patrick never did homework. He never did homework. આપણે નથી કરવાનું એવું, okay? Too boring, he said. Oh, very boring. To do homework is boring. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo. Okay, Nintendo एक video game છે. Instead, his teachers told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn a thing. You will not be able to learn even one thing. And it is true. Sometimes he did feel like an ignoramus. That means nobody liked him because he was not studying. Uneducated person. But what to do? શું કરવાનું? What to do? He hated homework. આપણામાં બી ઘણા બધા છે. I know all children because મેં ભણાવ્યા છે 5th માં ને. They don't like to do homework. Then every day madam says, stand here, right here. है याद છે? Now don't do that. Now you are in big class. You are in higher standard. And lessons will be harder. Now paragraph 2. Then one day he found his cat. He was having one cat playing with a little doll. Small doll was there. Little dingly. And he grabbed it away. He went and pulled it away. લઈ લીધી. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll. It was not a doll. It dingly nothing. What was it? See. Turn karo. Page number 8. See. At all. But it was a little man. કોણ હતું? Little man. આવ્યો. See. Of the tiniest size. Very small. He had a little wool shirt. His shirt was of wool. Wool. With old-fashioned breeches. Breeches એટલે shorts. Shorts પહેરો ને ચડ્ડા. And a high, tall hat. Yeah. Much like a witch. Much like a witch. Witch એટલે what we say in Gujarati. Witch ને શું કહેવાય? ચુડેલ. Way. Not good person, okay? He yelled, he shouted, save me, mane bachao. Don't give me back to that cat. This man is telling, don't give me to cat. Cat ne na dejo. I'll grant you a wish. I will grant you one wish. I promise you that. I promise you, vachan apun છું. I will give you one wish. What you will say, I will do. Okay? Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. He was खुश થઈ ગયો. Here was the answer to all his problems. The problem solved. So he said, only if you do all my homework, all homework you will do. This Patrick is telling this man, this tiny person, okay? You do all my homework till the end of the semester. Till the end of the semester. Term પૂરો થાય. Till that you do all my homework. That's 35 days. If you do a good enough job, I would even get A's. I will get A grade if you will do my homework properly. The little man's face wrinkled. He's spoiling મોટું બગાડે છે. Like a dish cloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs. પગ પછાડે છે, okay? And doubled his fist. આમ કરે છે, મુઠ્ઠી વાળે છે. And he grimaced and scolded and pursed his lips. મોઢું બગાડે, lips આમ કરે, because he did not want to do the homework. Oh, am I cursed? Oh, મને શ્રાપ આપો છો? but I will do it. But I will do it. Page number 9. And true to his words. That little elf began to do Patrick's homework. He started doing Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. One problem was there. What was the problem? The elf didn't always know what to do and he needed help. Elf was doing the homework, but every time sometimes he is confused, sometimes he doesn't know. So what he do? Help me, he said. So help me. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. He had to help. I don't know this word. I don't know this word. The elf squeaked. એટલે જોરથી ચીસ પાડીને બોલે છે. While reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary. Go bring dictionary for me. No. What's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. When it came to maths આવે. Patrick was out of luck. Patrick didn't know how to do the work. What are times tables? The elf shrieked. Elf ચીસો પાડે. Tables એટલે શું? We elves never need that. અમને તો કોઈ દિવસ આવ્યો આ elf છે. નાનો વેત્યો માણસ. Okay? We don't know how to do maths. Yeah, I think at page number 10, I think we'll be able to complete. And 10. And addition and subtraction and division and fractions. What is all this? Sit down beside me. He's calling that Patrick. Sit with me. You simply must guide me. Now Patrick has to guide him. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. Okay, we don't know history. It is like mystery. Amara mate to mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. He's shouting more. Go to the library. I need books. In the library, my sending Patrick. More and more books. And you can help me read them too. Now read. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. That elf is nagging him. Nagging him. Gadi gadi ne kiye che. Do this, do that, do that. Patrick was working harder than ever. Now Patrick is working. And was it a drag? He was staying up nights, till late nights he has to work. મોડે સુધી લેસન કરવું પડે છે. Why? This elf is telling him that વેત્યો માણસ છે ને, he is asking him to work. Had never felt so weary, feeling so tired, was going to school with his eyes often bleary, મોટી સોજેલી આંખોથી જાય છે સ્કૂલમાં. Finally the last day of school arrived and the elf was free to go. Now elf is free to go. As for homework, there was no more homework. Now no homework. There was no more. So he quietly and slyly slipped out of the back door. પાછળના દરવાજાથી he went away. Patrick got his A's. બધામાં A આવ્યા. His classmates were amazed. Everybody's, oh, અને A ક્યાંથી આવ્યો? His teachers smiled. Teachers are happy and were full of praise. Everybody is praising. બધા વખાણ કરે. Oh, he's working hard. He's become a clever boy. And his parents, they wondered what had happened. Parents ke આને આટલો હોશિયાર ક્યાંથી થઈ ગયો? Okay? He was now the model kid. Cleaned his rooms, did his chores, was cheerful, always happy, never rude. Like he had developed a new whole attitude. A whole new attitude આવી ગયો એમાં. Okay? You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man do all his homework. He's still thinking, the tiny man has done my homework. Now you tell me, who has done? Tiny man or he? But I'll share a secret. One secret, okay? Just between you and me. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. કોણે કર્યું હતું? Patrick. Patrick has done the homework himself. Okay? Bye children. Now listen to me one thing. What I give you, you will have to do. This all you will have to fill. And your books you will have to fill in a separate book. Your higher standard. So lower I have given them to write in this book only. This whatever I give you, copy down in your CW notebook. एक CW बनाओ, okay? Bye children.